2019 Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, passenger airbag on/off switch, trip computer, passenger airbag, MP3 player, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, power outlet, dual rear wheels, engine immobilizer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.